Hey guys, I just came home from work. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super lazy and tired. Actually, I wasn't supposed to go today, but yesterday I had an emergency patient, and we had to do root canal treatment, which I did. And today I had to put the filling, and now I'm home. I'm super hot because outside is very hot. I'm lazy, as I said, but I have to do my luggage because tomorrow I am going on vacation at the beach and the sea with my sister, and I'm super excited for that. But I have to pack my stuff. First, I'm going to remove my makeup, and then I'm going to take you along with me to pack my bag. So this is my luggage, and all of my stuff are behind me, and I'll pack and I'll talk. Sometimes I made a list of the stuff that I want to bring with me, and I did it this time because I do not want to forget anything. So later I'm gonna check if everything is here. Lately I have started becoming a germaphobe, and that's why I am bringing my own towels. This is my towel for my body, and inside I have packed my towel for my face. Also, I'm gonna bring this ginormous yellow towel for for the beach when I go to the beach, but I'm gonna put it on top of the luggage because it's big. For my going to the beach outfit, I'm gonna bring 2 pairs of shorts, and I'm gonna rock my imaginary abs with some crop tops. I'm bringing green, baby pink, and white crop tops. What else I'm gonna bring? I'm gonna bring my jammies, my pajama. Also, for my hotel room outfit, I'm gonna wear this t-shirt and those shorts. And I'm also going to bring those 2 white t-shirts, this fake silk white top, I guess. This white skirt and white pair of trousers. And also I'm gonna bring with me my white belt. Belt, I totally forgot the word. I am so freaking happy with this silk scarf. I thrift shopped it, and it was like for 20 level for a silk scarf, and it's super big. I wanted it to be big. I watched a video of this woman that used like big scarf, and she kind of make herself a summer jacket, and I want to try it. That's why I am bringing it with me. I hope I'll make my own summer jacket with this. I am also going to bring with me a few dresses. I want to bring so many things, but I'm not going to do it because I am not going to spend so much time away from home, and I don't want to carry like super heavy luggage. I'm gonna put it here. I do not know if I should or should not bring this dress. It's I honestly do not know if I like it or not. I mean, I like the whole motif of the material, but I'm not sure if it suits me like well. So I haven't decided for this dress, but the other dress that I'm gonna definitely bring is this one. Let me tell you, I thrift shopped this dress. It was 8th level and it's my favorite dress. It's so versatile now. I can wear it as my everyday dress, and if I put some kind of fancier shoes, it elevates the dress. It's amazing and I love it, and I'm taking it with me. Okay, so here is inside of this bag is my underwear. I usually wash my clothes when I'm away. It doesn't matter if I'm on vacation or not. If I'm away and I have dirty clothes, I wash them. For any case, I'm gonna bring this with me so that if I have dirty clothes, I will put them inside and everything else is gonna be clean. These are my bathing suits that I'm gonna bring. I'm gonna leave them here. I am also taking a shampoo, a very important thing. This is my pouch with my face masks because it's a COVID world. What else? Oh, this is my pouch with all of my chargers. Here, I'm gonna bring a few makeup stuff. I don't like wearing makeup, especially during the summer, but if I want to feel kind of fancy, I guess I'm bringing a blush, face powder, mascara, and my pencil for my eyebrows. I like to eat a lot of fruits, and usually when I'm on vacation I buy stuff to eat because I do not eat dairy products, and I prefer to make my own fruit salads or whatever type of food I am kind of craving. So I'm gonna bring my reusable pouches that I use when I buy fruits or vegetables. I'm gonna bring this small bag as my evening bag because I am gonna have a carry-on. This is going to be my carry-on bag. I'm going to talk about this later. And all of my valuable stuff, money and ID and stuff like this are going to be in this backpack that I'm gonna bring with me. And I do not want to go out in the evening and bringing a backpack with me, so that's why I am taking this bag with me. Oh, I am bringing a book. This is it's a new book that I found in the bookstore. It's a creamy book, and this is going to be my first time actually reading a criminal book. So I'm super excited. It sounds like it's interesting, so I hope it's interesting. And and cannot wait to share my opinion with you about this book. And my shoes. This. And one other pair. I have to bring it. I am also taking my espadrilles. I freaking love these shoes. They're amazing. Also, as you may know or not know, I have acne. I had really bad acne. So here I'm gonna bring all of my face products and my other stuff like soap, tissues, mouthwash, floss, interdental brushes, my brush, and toothpaste. I'm gonna bring here. Oh, also I'm bringing with me some sanitary products, you know, female stuff, because you never know. And my luggage is full, and I still have stuff to bring with me. I'm also bringing with me my protein. This is other package that I have put it in. I prefer to have a protein shake and a banana for breakfast. That's why I'm bringing my protein with me. I am also going to bring, let me just put my shoes in first. In my carry-on, I am going to bring with me a bottle of water. I hate those bottles, the plastic ones. I do not, normally I don't buy stuff like this. I actually have two glass bottles that I use every day, but you know, the glass bottles are very heavy and I already have so many things to carry on with me, and that's why I am going to bring a plastic bottle with me. I have been eating a lot of nuts and raisins lately as a snack, so I'm bringing it with me. I am also going to bring reusable napkins, 2 spoons, and I think it's called a pocket knife because, as I said, I buy my vegetables and fruits and I make my snacks from time to time, so I'll need this. And I guess I will have to bring my protein with me in my carry-on bag, because why not? And I'm taking my summer hat with me, and I guess that's it. I'm ready, kind of. Okay, so I'll see you in a few hours when it's time for me